Hello everyone, I'm going to share a salad recipe with you today. So I used to eat this salad at a restaurant near my office, but since the lockdown I haven't been able to eat it and I've been craving it since so long. So I tried recreating the recipe and it turned out to be really good. I hope you like it as well. So the ingredients required for the salad are 100-gram tender stem broccoli, 1 small onion, 5 closed cup mushrooms, salt for taste, 2 tablespoon oil to saute the salad, black pepper and tahini for dressing. Okay, so let's turn on the heat and let the pan heat up a bit. After the pan is heated up, let's add the 2 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil heat up for about 10-20 seconds. Now the oil has heated up, let's add onions first. And we will saute the onion till they are golden brown in color. Now we are going to add the broccoli to it. We are going to saute the broccoli for around 1 minute so that it becomes soft. So the broccoli seems to be a bit soft now. I'm going to add baby corns. I did not list this earlier. I just had them as extras and I wanted to add them. They are totally optional in this recipe. Next we are going to add the mushrooms. So mushrooms cook very easily, so it's better to add them in the last. At this point you can turn off the heat. Now we are going to add black pepper and salt. Now we are going to add the last ingredient, 2 tablespoons of tahini. So if you don't like tahini or if you have any allergies, you can skip tahini as well. I've had the salad before without tahini and it tastes good. That's tahini. I'm just going to mix it up with the salad. So you might notice at this point that there's a little bit of water in the salad. That's the water released by the mushrooms. The salad is very filling and very tasty. It's really good and I hope you guys like it as well. Ta-da!